Hey everyone, this is Vijay and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is a little bit different. I want to share my channel's statistics, and as we progress, I want to make sure that I keep a tab on my channel's progress, how it's doing, how many subscribers did I gain from a last couple of days. Probably I'll make a video once in 2 weeks and make sure to record my journey. So this video is the start of that particular series, and I have named it episode 1, when until I monetize my channel. Now, can I monetize my channel? So let's start with this. Before we proceed, if you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on the future updates. Alright, so coming back to this video, let me properly introduce myself. My name is Vijay and I'm from India. I'm a 34-year-old digital artist. So before this, I was working in a company as a trainer, and I have close to 5+ years experience working in the corporate field. But I really wanted to change my life. I wanted to take up challenge and build something on my own. So recently I quit my company, the corporate job that I had, 9 to 5 as we all like to call it, and I started my journey into art. Slowly it started picking up, and I made some progress, and I have built quite a bit of community around it. I have made good friends, good connection, and I'm enjoying this. This is challenging and enjoyable. So now I have started to work on YouTube, create a channel and start growing it in order to share whatever I do, the paintings that I do. Every time I used to paint, I always wanted to record and showcase it to my friends or, my community. So now that we have a good platform, such as YouTube, I really want to capture. I was really shy, as you can see now, I'm not making videos with my face on. I am shy, but I want to showcase my art, the process on how I paint my art using my iPad. So here I am. Started my YouTube channel 9 months ago. At that time I had a couple of paintings. I just uploaded those paintings, just photos with some background music. So I was thinking, okay, I'll just keep this as a diary for my paintings, so that if anybody asks that, okay, what do you do, like, can you please show me some of your works, I could just give them my YouTube channel and they can go to my channel and see the paintings that I've done, mostly landscape paintings and couple of abstracts. And then I thought, I want to grow this channel. I want to make sure that it is big enough to reach a wider audience and help the community to foster and to grow along my site and take them all to the next level, because we have so many artists who have been struggling, who have been working towards discovery, because they're so nice. The paintings are amazing, and if you take a look at it, it will provide motivation, and they have a lot of creativity. The problem is reach. So keeping all these things in mind, I have started this YouTube channel, and this is the exact reason why I named this channel as Unexplored Painting. So I not only want to showcase the paintings that I do, I also want to explore many different more paintings, amazing paintings that I've done by my community. So that's it. That's where this Unexplored Painting channel got a head start. So to sum it up, I create videos about digital art, and I also record my artistic process on how I create artworks and all that. And I will start making some videos about tutorials, like art tutorials, how to paint an abstract art, for example, or how to use a specific app on my iPad, or which app am I using, and what are the tips and tricks, and how do I paint using that app. All these things I want to cover. So to sum it up, I make videos on digital artworks, art tutorials, and I have started a podcast playlist in my channel. If you can go and search for it under the podcast section. In that, what I want to do is, I have a partner, my friend who is from Scotland. So she and I will conduct spaces on X, which is also called as Twitter, and it used to be known as Twitter before. So we will conduct art related spaces, which is named Art Share, of course, and we kind of cover topics about art, what our future holds towards art, what is NFTs, what is crypto, how can we integrate the artworks to that particular section if you want to, and so these are the 3 segments of videos that I'll be posting on a regular basis. And there you go. So this is a summary of my journey, summary of the videos that I do, and summary of this, basically a summary of this YouTube channel and why I'm here and what exactly is it that I'm trying to do. To talk about the channel statistics, I since the day I started the YouTube, actively posting videos, it has been close to 2 weeks now. I think 2 or 3 weeks. I started with some shorts, and then I moved on to some videos, and then I moved on to more shorts and videos. So I'm jumbling here and there, and I'm trying to create content with this. And every video that I do will have a painting process in the background. And as and when I speak, if I come up with some references, or if not related to painting, related to the subject that I'm speaking, I will put some videos in between, or some images, just to make sure that you get an idea of what exactly is it that I'm talking about. So here's a breakdown of what I'm trying to share with you all. So let's move on to the screen recording that I captured. In this, if you can see, I have 1,500 views in the past 28 days, and somewhere around 13 plus hours of watch time. And in total, I have 42 subscribers as of now, as of today. um I have created 3 videos wherein I have to work on my voice because I don't have a mic per se. So I'm just recording using my phone or my tablet. So I have ordered a mic, so it's on the way, and once I get it, I'm going to use that, and I hope the audio quality is a bit better. And to talk about my schedule, I'm a dad. I have 2 little munchkins, and my whole day goes while I take care of them, and I won't be able to do any videos or work on any videos in the daytime. So what I do is I kind of make like I'll feed them dinner, and I'll play with them, and then I'll put them to bed. Once they sleep, is when I wake up and I come to my a little studio that I have, and I start working on my videos in this particular place. So now that I have gained 1.5k, approximately 1.5k views, around 13 hours of watch time, and I've gained over 18 subscribers recently. So that sums up a total of 42 subscribers, and we all know the YouTube policy, right? To get monetized, we need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours within 365 days. Now the question is, can I do it? Okay, so let's get into it. After some deep thinking, I realized that chasing views and likes could lead to burnout. It just doesn't work out that way. You may get some likes, you may get some subscribers, you may get some views at that particular point in time, but how long are you going to do it? Because basically you don't love the process. The thing is, if you are trying to reach a certain point, which is tough, the art of doing that is you have to love the process. End result will speak for itself. When you start enjoying the process, you don't care about what comes out and how it is and what it is. So considering all these facts, I decided that my niche is going to be art, even though it is I don't know, like when I saw not many people are doing it, and the majority of the crowd is behind some other type of content and etc. So I want to connect with genuine art lovers, art collectors, or other artists, so that I can motivate them, I can show them what I do, I can inspire the whole world who are interested in this art section, especially abstract, because I love the process of creating an abstract painting and showcasing it, zoom in and show some detailed works that is out there on the painting. And you can see in the background I am painting, and I'm pretty sure that you kind of get a glimpse of how I create my own brushes, and how I start adding touches and pick different colors, and it's just purely random, and yet at the end you can see some sort of it synchronizes at the end, and it comes together to form a piece which is natural, which is original, which is true to itself. Some of them appeal, some of them makes you feel like there could be more work, unfinished. But all in all, the thing is that I enjoy the process. So regarding the niche, after some deep thinking, I realized that art is something that I love, and I want to share my passion for art with the world. Art has been therapeutic for me, and I want to spread those positive vibes to all of you, you know. And so I'm just going to break down my channel into different series as I've explained it before. Art videos, work in progress videos of various abstract art styles, art tutorials, sharing tips and tricks that I've learned over the years and I want to teach you, and I keep learning. As and when I learn something new, I will make a video about it. And live art share sessions where I discuss that Twitter spaces or X spaces that we conduct. It is kind of like a Teams meeting or Zoom meeting where we all get together and discuss about art. You know, there will be some artists. They will come and they will share their work and they talk about that work and the story behind it, and then we comment on it, and it's kind of like a very relaxed session where we get together and talk about artworks. So these are three sections of videos, and I go live with this art share sessions, and I request all of you to, if you have time, or let me know the time that you all are comfortable, so I'll just take a note of it and go for an average and see if I can go live on that time. But majority of it will be night here in India, after 11 p.m. or something. I'll go live for about an hour, discussing about art and art related things. So this is it. This is the video that I wanted to do regarding to share an update about me, about this channel, about what I do, and to regularly share the channel statistics, how it's growing, is it growing or not, am I doing something wrong, or how should I improve. Let's see. I just want to record the journey towards getting monetized and towards getting to grow my channel basically. So I'll post a dedicated video series about my channel growth once in a week or once in 2 weeks to keep you all updated. So I request you all to join me on this journey, follow along, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I'm learning, I'm improving, and I'm trying to create relaxing and creative painting videos and tutorials and relaxing live art share sessions with you all. So if you have loved this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'd love to hear your thoughts, so please leave a comment below, so I can learn and improve as I go along. And if you have any suggestions, do let me know in the comment section as well. Alright, so that's it. Enjoy the painting process. See you in the next video. Bye bye.